Remote work is here to stay, but your home office needs business-grade security. First, keep work and personal activities separate. Use different devices if possible, or at least create separate user profiles. Never let family members use your work devices to maintain security. Next, secure your home office with essential tools. Use a business virtual private network, or VPN, to protect your data. Enable automatic updates and install advanced security software. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is secure to prevent unauthorized access. These steps will help safeguard your work environment. Finally, always follow company policies. Use approved cloud storage solutions and keep sensitive data off personal devices. Report any security concerns immediately to your IT department. Quick check. Is your home office as secure as your work office? Let us help you ensure it is.